guys, welcome to my channel. So I will show you how to change theme Oppo to iPhone theme. So click muna natin tong theme store ng matagal. So app info, storage usage, clear data, clear. Then back lang natin guys. Clear data natin yung theme store. Punta naman tayo sa Google Chrome. Nasa description ko na po yung download link ng iPhone theme. Okay guys, click nyo lang yun guys, or copy tsaka paste nyo sa Google Chrome. So click download. Wait lang natin matapos guys. So guys, natapos na yung download natin. So pwede na natin i-back yan. Then click lang natin yung file manager, phone storage, all files, download. Then click na natin yung downloads natin na Oppo A3s theme. Then click natin yung allow, try now, tsaka click keep natin. Applying na guys. Wait natin matapos yun guys. So may lumabas ng 5-minute trial. So guys, ito na yung theme natin ng iPhone na in-install natin. So wait lang natin lumabas yung 5-minute trial expiry. So nakita nyo naman guys yung theme. So guys, di pa yan tapos guys. Hintayin lang natin lumabas yung 5-minute trial expire para maging permanent na yung iPhone theme natin. So guys, malapit na matapos yung 5-minute trial natin. So may lalabas na dyan. Yan. Guys, kapag lumabas na yung ganyan, click nyo lang yung buy now. Try now. Keep. Apply ulit guys. So guys, 5-minute trial ulit para maging permanent na yung theme natin. Exit lang natin tong theme store. Sabay, click lang natin tong theme store ng 3 beses. Tsaka exit din natin ng 3 beses. Click lang natin tong theme store. Sabay, okay. Agree. Then, exit na natin yun guys. Exit. Sabay, click ulit natin yung theme store. So guys, pangalawa na natin yan guys. Exit natin ulit. And then click natin ulit tong theme store. Pangatlong beses na yan guys. Then exit natin guys. So guys, 3 beses na natin na exit yung theme store. So bale, start nyo na lang yung phone nyo guys para maging permanent na yung iPhone theme nyo. Okay, thank you guys sa panonood ng video ko.